GitHub Collaborators. What does GitHub Collaborators mean? GitHub Collaborators are users who are given permission to access and work on a specific repository. On GitHub, they can contribute code, open pull requests, manage issues, and, depending on permission level, make changes directly to the repository. It means you want others to work on your repo, or you want to control who can push code, or you need team-based collaboration, or you want to manage access securely. So GitHub Collaborators equals shared repo access plus permission control plus teamwork plus secure collaboration. Why GitHub Collaborators matter? It is important because enables team collaboration, controls who can modify code, improves productivity, supports code review and teamwork, keeps repositories secure. Without collaborators, crossmark only one person can work. Crossmark no teamwork. Crossmark hard to scale projects. Crossmark no access control. Crossmark manual code sharing. With collaborators, checkmark multiple contributors. Checkmark controlled permissions. Checkmark faster development. Checkmark safer workflow. Checkmark clear responsibility. Why you might need GitHub collaborators. This usually happens when you work in a team. You build open source projects. You want reviewers for your code. You manage private repositories. You want controlled access. Without collaborators, crossmark you must do everything alone. Crossmark no code review. Crossmark hard to track contributions. With collaborators, checkmark shared workload. Checkmark peer review. Checkmark faster progress. Checkmark better quality code. Typical situations where this is needed. Common scenarios. Team projects. Company repositories. Open source contributions. Student group projects. Startup development. Example. Owner adds collaborator means collaborator pushes code means owner reviews PR. Why? Shared development. Controlled access. Better quality. Basic GitHub collaborator setup. First checks. Go to repository means settings means collaborators. Add GitHub username or email. Assign permission level. Read. Write. Admin. User accepts invitation. Why? Control access. Enable teamwork. Secure repository. Fix 1. Add a collaborator. Use when you want someone to help with your repo. Result. User can access repository. Why? Faster development. Shared responsibility. Easy collaboration. Warning danger. Crossmark giving too much permission. Crossmark adding unknown users. Good practice. Checkmark give least required access. Checkmark use read, write wisely. Checkmark review collaborators regularly. Fix 2. Set permission levels. Use when you want to control actions. Result. Different users have different access. Why? Protect main branch. Prevent mistakes. Control workflow. Bad practice. Crossmark everyone gets admin. Crossmark no permission structure. Good practice. Checkmark use read for viewers. Checkmark write for developers. Checkmark admin for maintainers. Fix 3. Remove a collaborator. Use when user no longer needs access. Result. Access revoked immediately. Why? Improves security. Prevents misuse. Keeps repo clean. Good practice. Checkmark remove inactive users. Checkmark audit access regularly. Checkmark update permissions. Fix 4. Combine with branch protection. Use when you want safe collaboration. Result. Collaborators must use pull requests. Why? Prevent direct pushes to main. Enforce code reviews. Safer releases. Good practice. Checkmark enable branch protection. Checkmark require PR reviews. Checkmark limit force pushes. Daily workflow using collaborators. Safe workflow. Owner adds collaborators. Developers push to branches. Create pull requests. Review code. Merge safely. Why? Teamwork. Code quality. Safe history. Accountability. Common mistakes that break collaboration. Giving admin to everyone. No branch protection. Not removing old users. No review process. Direct pushes to main. Why? Security risk. Broken code. Conflicts. Team confusion. How collaborators affect teams. When done wrong. Accidental deletes. Broken branches. Security risks. Team disputes. When done right. Checkmark clear roles. Checkmark safe collaboration. Checkmark high quality code. Checkmark secure repos. Checkmark team trust. Real life analogy. GitHub collaborators are like keys to a shared office. Office equals repository. Key equals collaborator access. Some keys open all doors. Admin. Some open only work areas. Write, read. In simple words, GitHub collaborators mean give others access to your repo. Control what they can do. Work together safely. Fix equals. Add collaborator means set permission means collaborate means review means merge. Best practices for GitHub collaborators. Use. Checkmark least privilege access. Checkmark branch protection. Checkmark regular access review. Checkmark pull requests. Checkmark clear roles. Avoid. Crossmark giving admin to everyone. Crossmark no code review. Crossmark forgetting to remove users. Crossmark direct pushes to main. Crossmark untracked changes. GitHub collaborators help you share your project, control access, collaborate safely, improve code quality, scale your work. A good collaborator setup. Checkmark controlled permissions. Checkmark secure workflow. Checkmark team-based development. Checkmark protected branches. Checkmark trusted contributors.